This video is for my sweet finger lover that sent me a message saying, I love your granola recipe, but I don't have oven. How will I do it? Then I said, say no more. I got you covered. So this recipe is how to make granola used without oven. So that's my oats, honey, grated apple, salt to taste. This is a combination of coconuts, dates, and dried fruit and raisins. Then nutmeg. And these are all the ingredients we'll use to make this granola. Bring out your bowl and add all your ingredients together. First your oats, and then your grated coconut, your dates, dried fruit and raisins, then also the grated apple. Then add a lot of honey to taste. Like, you have to be very generous with your honey. Then we're just going to mix this together until it is fully and well combined together. We just keep mixing it together. So we're just going to add our salt for taste, because salt has a way of balancing everything. The nutmeg is for our flavor. So we're just going to mix this together again until it is combined. So bring out your pan and put that on fire and allow it to heat up a bit. Make sure it is well heat up, like it's hot, before you pour your mixed granola to it. Then we're just going to spread it and make sure it is properly seated inside the pot. We're just going to spread it like that. And we're just going to wait for 1 minute until we start to mix this together. So it's more like we're frying granules. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. All you have to do is just keep stirring it. Just have to keep stirring it, keep stirring it. You just have to keep stirring it, or else it is one part is going to get dried while the other one is not going to get dried. As you can see, this is approximately after 3 minutes on a medium heat. I was continue stirring this like non-stop, and if you notice, there is a huge difference from how we started to now. So I'll just keep stirring this non-stop. And after a while, so this is after 13 minutes, this is how it looks like now. It is dried, but it has not gotten to the consistency I want. If it's not really dried, it's not going to last long and it's not going to be crunchy. So I just keep stirring this. This is what we have now, and this is after 10 minutes on a low heat, on a low or a medium heat, very low, or else it is going to get burnt. So we'll just keep stirring. Then I would advise you for you to do this on smaller batch, so you get a faster result. If it's too much, you will not be able to get the consistency faster. So we'll just keep stirring it, and I just keep stirring it. Until I get the consistency that I want. And after that, this is what we have. Our granola is ready. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to watch our other videos, like, comment, share for your friends and family, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos. Then after a few minutes, I allowed it to cool down a bit. Then I turned it inside an airtight container, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.